Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this one I'm gonna show you how you can make your car silent. So number one, guys, is this roof seal that you can buy. It looks like this. You basically put it around your roof glass. It's gonna give you a slight noise reduction in your car when you drive, especially during the windy times. This only costs 20 bucks, guys. So the next thing you can do is install these covers that every gas car has. It's on the front, like when you open it, there's nothing on top, and you can install them on top of your hood, and that will make your car even less noisy inside when you drive. And then the last thing, guys, is the door seals and the trunk and the hood seals. I have it everywhere. So it's just a seal that you install on the corner of every door, and that will seal the door even better with a double seal with the original one and the one you're gonna install, and that way your car is gonna be completely silent inside while you drive, and it's gonna be much quieter and more enjoyable to drive. And these are the three things, guys, you can install that will make your car silent inside. That's pretty much it. Like the video if you enjoyed or helped you out, guys. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.